हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं मेजरमेंट एंड इंस्ट्रूमेशन के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन जो कि आपके एग्जामिनेशन प्रोस्पेक्टिव से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 51 की। द पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रांसड्यूसर्स विच रिस्पॉन्ड्स डायरेक्टली टू द मेजर्ड। द राइट आंसर इज दैट इज सेंसिंग एलिमेंट। The next question 52. The ratio of the change in transducer's output to a corresponding change in the value of the measured. The right answer is that is sensitivity. Is sensitivity. The next question 53 is that a calibration performed by application of the measure to that transducers at discrete amplitude intervals. The right answer is that is static calibration. The next question 54 is that the impedance presented to the transducer's excitation terminus by the excitation source. The right answer is that is source impedance. The next question number 55 is that is the response of a to a transducers to a step bracket में a fast change in the measured. The right answer is that is transist transient response. The next question 56 is that a point maintained close to ground potential by negative feedback although not directly connected to the ground. The right answer is that is virtual ground. The next question 57 is that a mathematical relationship between the input a mathematical relationship between the input and the output expressed as the ratio of two polynomial. The right answer is is transfer function is transfer function. Question 58 is that observation bracket comma measurement and mathematical operation performed with time considered as the principal variable. The right answer is that is time domain. Is time domain. The next question 59. A transmission to a distance of measured quantities, usually by radio or telephony with a suitably coded modulation. The right answer is telemetry. The next question 60 is that a property of a system whereby the system returns to a state of equilibrium after disturbance. The right answer is that is stability. Is stability. Next question 61 is that a characteristics of some system which prevents rapid change or excessive instability. The right answer is that is damping. Is damping. The next question 62 is that a variation in unified pattern which represent relevant pieces of information. The right answer is that is code. The next question 63. The modification of a carrier waveform in response to the information to be carried. The right answer is that is modulation. Is modulation. The next question 64 is that a physical variable whose specification requires 2 points in a space. The right answer is that is trans variable. Is trans variable. Next question 65 is that is a device which when actuated by one form of energy is capable of converting it to another form of energy. The right answer is that is transducer. Is transducer. The next question 66 question is that the error observed when the instruments is under the reference condition. Is right answer is that intrinsic error. Is intrinsic error. Next question number 67. Question number 67 is that the difference is obtained by subtracting the true value of quantity from the observed value. The right answer is that absolute error. Is absolute error. Next question. The ratio of absolute error to the true value. The right answer is that is the ratio of the absolute error to the true value. Right answer is that is relative error. The next question 69, is that errors caused by such effects as a friction spring, hysteresis, noise, and other phenomena. The right answer is that is random error. Is random error. The next question 70, is that question number 70 is that is random errors included. Question 70 is that is a random errors indicated when repeated measurements of the same quantity results in differing value. The right answer is that is uncertainty. Is uncertainty. Next question number 71 is that is question 71 is that relatively constant errors occurring due to the such effects as a sensitivity drift, zero effect known as non-linearity. The right answer is that is systematic error. Is systematic error. The next question 72, is that unwanted disturbance superimposed on low level input signals due to the noise, hum, line pickup, ripple, switching, transist, and the line transist. The right answer is that is interference error. The next question 73, is that a deviation observed in the instrument's output with the time from the initial value when all other measurement conditions remain same. The deviation may be caused by a change in the component values due to variation in ambient condition or due to aging. The right answer is that is zero drift. Is zero drift. Next question 64. The percentage of the departure from the linear value, that is the maximum deviation of the output curve from the best fit straight line during any calibration cycle. The right answer is that is linearity. Is linearity. The next question 25. The maximum error in calibration at any point on the scale to the absolute measurement or theoretical straight line. The right answer is that is absolute linearity. The next question 76, is that linearity refers to a straight line between the theoretical endpoints. The right answer is that theoretical slope linearity. Is slope linearity. The next question 77, is that a special case of theoretical slope linearity for which the theoretical endpoints are 0% and 100% of the full scale output. The right answer is that is terminal. Is that for terminal linearity. Question number 78, is that linearity refers to a straight line between the experimental endpoints. The right answer is that is endpoint linearity. The next question 79, is that linearity referred to the best straight line bracket में a line midway between the closest possible two parallel straight line bracket close enclosing all the output values obtained during one calibration cycle. The right answer is that is independent linearity. The next question 80, is that linearity referred to the straight line for which the sum of the square of the residual are minimized. The right answer is that is least square linearity. The next question number 81, is that is for question number 81, is that the deviation of the mean value of repeated measurements from the best line fit line. The right answer is that is scatter. Is scatter. Next question 82, is that The range of the measured variable for which an instrument is designed to measure linearly. The right answer is that is span. The next question 83 is that probability that a system will perform its assigned function for a specific period of time under given condition. The right answer is that is reliability. Is reliability. The next question number 84 is that is instruments which can be characterized by one parameter, that is the time constant. The right answer is that is first order. The next question number 85 is that is instruments which are characterized by the two parameters, that is natural frequency and damping ratio. Right answer is that is second order. Next question number 86, that is an extremely accurate and absolute unit certified by the National Standards Institution to be within allowable tolerance. Right answer is primary standard. Is a primary standard. Next, the reference calibrated question number 87 is that the reference calibrated standards designed and constructed from this primary standard is the second standard. Next, question number 88. The normal standards needed by the individual establishments and laboratories having one order of the accuracy lower the secondary standards. The right answer is that for is working standard. Is working standard. Question 29 is that is comparison of specific values to the input and output of an instrument with a corresponding reference standard. The right answer is for calibration is calibration. The next question 90 is that is transducers operating under energy conversion principle and self-generating device without any external rising sources. The right answer is that is active transducers is active transducers. The next question 91 is that are transducers operating under energy controlling principle which require secondary electrical energy from an external source. The right answer is that is passive transducers. The next question, ability to withstand overloads with safety stops and overload protection. Right answer is that is rigidness. Is rigidness. The next question 93 is that a system in which the output is exactly of the same form as that of the input but occurs after a transmission lag. The right answer is that is dead time element. Next question 94 is that effects which occurs when a transverse magnetic field is applied to a current carrying conductor. The right answer is that is Hall effect. Is Hall effect. Next question 95. The part of the expression of the result of a measurement which states the range of values within the which the true value is essential is estimated to lie. The right answer is that is for is uncertainty. Is uncertainty. Next question 96 is that the smallest increment of the measure which can be detected with a certainty by the instrument. The right answer is that is discrimination. Next question 97 is that the largest change of the measurement to which the instrument does not respond and is produced by friction, backlash, or hysteresis in the instrument. The right answer is that is dead band. Next question, question 98 is that the maximum distance or angle through which any part of a mechanical system may be moved in one direction without applying applicable force or motion of the next part in a mechanical sequence. The right answer is that is back